Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What are the signs that my vehicle needs new shocks or struts? Bumpy ride. The most obvious sign of a problem with your shocks or struts is that your car is giving you a much more uncomfortable ride than normal. Steering problems, braking problems, fluid leaks, unusual tire tread wear, mileage.
Let's help you make your mark.
However, your vehicle does have adjustable camber settings, and so, yes, the vehicle would have to be aligned if the struts were replaced. Once new struts are installed, if the alignment is roughly within spec, you can wait until you get your new tires to perform the alignment. Your mechanic offers strut replacement. 7 January 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
The major difference between shocks and struts is that a strut is a structural part of the vehicle's suspension system where a shock is not. A strut is also a pivot point for the vehicle's steering system and contains a coil spring. Because of this, an alignment is always needed when replacing a strut.
Take our lead.
Knocking noises when driving over bumps. When compressed, the knocking sound that is often heard is caused by the strut bottoming out, or metal-to-metal contact. If you notice a knocking or clunking sound coming from an area near the front or rear tires, it's most likely due to worn out or broken struts. 12 January 2016.
Take our lead.
There are two negatives to riding on worn-out struts or automotive shocks. Safety. Worn struts result in longer stopping times and/or distances as the vehicle weight can shift, sometimes unexpectedly, during braking. This also negatively affects your ability to stay in control of your vehicle.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.